Hello, this is Jordan, back with another Python lesson for you. Today I'm going to be teaching you integers and float operations and some math stuff. Okay, so here in my workspace I have an untitled Python file and the Python shell open up in the left. I like this setup. Hopefully you do too. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do with this Python file is I'm going to save it as math practice.py. Do not save it as math.py because there's an actual library called math.py and it will mess up your program. So first of all, we learned data types already, but I'll just go over them really quickly again. Integers are whole numbers, like 1, 50, 505, -30, and floats are the ones with decimal points in them, so like 2.2, 6.0005, and so on. So math in Python is pretty straightforward. Say we need a variable. I'm going to call my variable math. Set that equal to 1 plus 1, and I'm going to run this. Click OK to save, and then in my Python shell, nothing happens because I forgot to print it. So we always want to print our variable to see if it's doing the thing we expect it to. So I'm going to hit run on that, and 1 plus 1 is 2. Great. Now you can do the same thing with subtraction. We'll use different numbers. 5 minus 3. The spaces don't really matter in this line. It just helps me see what's going on. So we'll continue with that. And 5 minus 3 is 2. Also great. Then make a third line here demonstrating multiplication, and we'll say 5 times 4. The multiplication symbol in Python is this asterisk or star, whatever you want to call it. You can find it on your keyboard right on above the 8 key. If you hold shift and press 8, that will show up. And what I'm doing here is each time I'm making a new line, I'm overwriting this variable from before. So this time it should give me 20 instead of 2. Great. And then we can also do division. Pick something nice and even, like 10 divided by 2. I'll run it again, just to prove to you that it works. There we have 5.